Okay, but like we didn't even start yet. I'll do this. Okay.
Wait, no.
So. Oh. No, because now. Okay. Wait. So, bus driver like doesn't really know where he's going.
It's our last beach day.
Yeah. Before.
I mean, it's cold enough. It's
Before
like
it starts snowing.
today. What's today? What's the tide today?
It's springtime.
Because
Because it's a full moon.
no.
New moon. There we go. Yeah, Mr. A has a meeting on today.
He looks like a chicken nugget.
Yeah. I love.
We're like at the
myself.
beach.
Yeah. So we're like here, but we'll keep you guys updated.
Wait, what's the date? November
17th. Currently 11:10. There.
Yeah.
Okay,
No
so-
boot day
Yeah. No day.
because of those high tides. That's our friend.
Okay. Bye.
So where are we now? Where can you tell? The map should be able to key in on this.
At the end of the marsh.
Walking line, right? So think about where we're at. Put a big X. Let me
here?
see if you can figure out where we're at.
Is it here? I think
Okay,
so.
pretty close, right?
Yeah, I think it's there.
Wait, where you'll see it.
Oh yeah.
We haven't gone that far yet.
This?
Even with like a GPS. This is how you do stuff if your GPS breaks down. You all use your GPS, whatever, but
Cry. Literally call the police. Oh. My hair looks great right now.
Just a little windy.
Okay. Pretty good. So we're going back to the bus now. Pretty successful. Go last. Why? Okay, that's it. I'm done. Hey guys, Maggie takeover. We out here getting hypothermia, no big deal. Yeah, it's a nice Friday. Yeah, bye. Hey guys, so we're back on the bus. We're going back to so-called school. I didn't do anything, but
Wait, like what did we do?
like
Measure the area around the beach.
Yeah, but we like didn't do it. So
But
we're gonna like copy these worksheets when we get back. So we'll talk to you guys when we get back to school. We're back at school now. People are looking at us, but it's fine. We're waiting for Mr. A to go unlock the door to go back in.
Someone left their
Awkward.
pencil on the bus.
It's causing a lot of drama. You know, it like was. I think it was.
Oh, probably.
But
Oh, I
yes.
like this better.
So basically,
You can see all my
like,
frizzies.
awkward.
I love that.
I hate people. I hate boys, and yeah.
We're heading inside.
Thank you.
Everybody. All right. Yes.
It's like still going. People coming, but they're just like going. No, like we don't really like that obvious. Okay, so to lunch.
We're going to
We
Susan
got
and I'm really scared.
Okay, wait, just. Okay, so we got like 3 lunches.
And Mr. A let us out 30 minutes early. And like there's no one here, so love our friends that don't show up to lunch.
Just got my blood drawn. No big deal. Survivor.
I can imagine like you saying that and then you just like pass out.
No gang, blood drive. Won't even faint.
Is that all you have to say? Bye, Priscilla.
Oh my god, hey guys. What's up?
I'm
like
sweating.
having an argument with a boy right now.
Wait, what?
Yeah. Basically, this boy that like I wasn't dating, but like whatever. Like he was giving me so many compliments like literally 2 days ago.
Who?
Hear that he has a new fucking girlfriend. And so I texted him, I was like, I literally said, I was like, I'm so confused, like you were literally giving me compliments like a day ago and now you have like a girl, like what?
I don't know what you said.
Oh, he just replied, I haven't opened it yet.
Bro, the fuck?
Alright, say bye.
Bye, bye. Fuck, bye, bitch.
Hey guys, it's Kier. So today it's brick outside and I almost lost our streak, but
We lost it.
I did lose
And then during wellness, because I was bored, I went to Snapchat website and I'm like, please give me my streak back. And I like made up some BS that it just went away, but like actually it didn't, and she just didn't Snapchat me.
Now the lesson is I'm gonna keep Snapchatting Sid and not lose our streak.
Do your outro.